The Gen Z is using social media more than ever right now to express their opinion on the protest and the NEET paper leak. They're protesting at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, demanding the resignation of the Education Minister of India, Dharmendra Pradhan, over the NEET paper leak. And the posts are going viral on social media. But some posts also claim that their Instagram content is being deleted or is disappearing without explanation. But why is that happening? The controversy began as the Cockroach Janata Party or CJP continued its Chalo Sansad march over the irregularities in the NEET UG examination. Soon, several creators and users claimed that their Instagram posts documenting the protests were receiving unusually low reach. Many also reported that their stories and videos were being labeled as sensitive content, making them harder for people to discover. Now, that's sparked allegations that Meta was shadow banning protest related content. So, what exactly is this shadow banning? Shadow banning is an unofficial term used to describe a situation where a social media platform limits the visibility of your content without actually suspending or deleting your account. You can still post, comment, and interact normally, but your content may stop appearing in explore page, hashtag searches, recommendations, or even in front of users who don't already follow you. In other words, your account isn't banned, but your reach quietly shrinks. The term has become very popular across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, X, and TikTok. However, companies like Meta generally don't use the word shadow ban. Instead, they say content visibility depends on recommendation algorithms, community guidelines, and content moderation systems. In this case, the debate intensified after Instagram creator Apurva Mudgal, who attended the Delhi protest, claimed that her protest related posts were suddenly receiving much lower visibility. She alleged that eyewitness content was being suppressed and encouraged people to engage with such content or posts to improve their reach. Soon, many other users also shared similar experiences. Users reported several issues: a sudden drop in likes and shares, protest posts disappearing from Explore page, sensitive content warning labels coming in, difficulty finding protest related posts despite regularly viewing similar content, and slower follower growth. Some even said that content remained inaccessible despite choosing to view material marked as sensitive. The controversy deepened when CJP's official Instagram account, with over 25 million followers, was temporarily blocked in India. Users trying to access it saw a message stating that Meta had restricted the account in response to a legal request. Separately, Meta also restored the account of CJP spokesperson Saurav Das, saying that it had been mistakenly suspended by its automated moderation systems. But here's the important question: does lower reach automatically mean that you have been shadow banned? Not necessarily. Experts say that declining engagement alone is not a proof of shadow banning. Social media algorithms change constantly, audience behavior shifts, competition increases, and seasonal trends can all affect how widely a post is distributed. That means that it is extremely difficult to determine whether reduced visibility is the result of deliberate moderation or simply algorithmic changes. As of now, Meta has not publicly explained why certain posts related to the protests were labeled as sensitive or whether the restrictions were linked to any government request. The Internet Freedom Foundation has asked Meta to clarify the basis of these actions, arguing that transparency is essential, especially when content relates to public interest and freedom of expression.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.